Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and I'm really sorry for yesterday's video where the sound wasn't good. Some technical glitch that happened. You must be watching me. I'm using a collar mic, I'm using a proper mic and a camera mic, three mics, so that there is no confusion that happens whatsoever. So today, we're going to be talking about Nifty, Bank Nifty sectors and the stocks that look good. Having said that, I also want to tell you that I do conduct live trading every single day from 10 to 11. Do join us for making some money along with us, and I'm 100% sure you will love the energy, you will love the way we trade together, and collectively we will be able to give you some good trades. So the link you will find you come to my YouTube video, you will go to any of the video and go to its description box. On the top you will get the link of our Telegram channel, and just below that you will find the link of GoToWebinar. It's preferable that you join through GoToWebinar because that's where there won't be any lag. If you join through the YouTube, there will be a slight lag. Now let's begin, and I'm going to talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if I have a look at the Bank Nifty, just have a look at Bank Nifty. Today's Bank Nifty move has been very solid. Although the volumes were pretty less, but it has broken a very important resistance zone. It has broken a very important resistance zone, and this closing has been extremely good. Now what could be a possible resistance for Bank Nifty? The possible resistance is a round figure which is 40,000. That could be a resistance and which may come tomorrow as well. Now if we just have a look at the Bank Nifty at the shorter time frame, how did Bank Nifty move today? And just have a look at this and you will be able to understand a lot of price action. The first candle, this is 9:15's first candle. Let me mark it for you. This is first candle's high and this is first candle's low. And if you notice, Bank Nifty went up, came down, defended the low of today, and again bounced back from here. So if the low is not broken, it simply means that Bank Nifty plans to be positive, and it really bounced when the high of today's candle was taken out. We could have gone long. So the members who have been trading with us, who have been learning with us through the webinar, they, I'm sure, have understood this and traded in Bank Nifty. All right, now let's have a look at the sectors which gave a very, before I go on anywhere, we'll have a look at Nifty as well. So in Nifty, if you see, Nifty is actually again, has crossed yesterday's high, a very important point, but it still has a close by barrier at 18,180. Now 18,180 is going to be a very strong resistance as Bank Nifty has crossed it today. There's a possibility in a day or two Nifty may hit this level and there could be some retracement. There are some concerns that are going on about the Nifty. There's one important factor which everybody is shouting about. I don't know how validated it will be, but let's see. The level is basically RSI. If you have a look at it, RSI levels basically if you have a look at RSI level, it's at about 82, 83. It's quite overbought. Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, both of them are in overbought zone. So there's a possibility that there could be some kind of profit booking that may come up. Nevertheless, let's talk about which sectors gave a breakout. So I know all of you are well aware that all Adani stock shot up like anything. Adani ENT, Adani Port, have a look at Adani ENT, Adani Port, Adani Green, Adani Power. So there is huge buying that is happening in Adani stocks. Look at the gap up opening, and just continuously it's moving up. Adani Wilmar, AWL, beautiful breakout. Adani green, Adani transmission, not really a breakout, but yet still positive. Adani green had a beautiful blast. So all the stocks of Adani are really, really doing well at this point of time. Some huge amount of money is being pumped into Adani Group. So that's one reason which is holding Nifty. And another reason is, I have always told, in case metal is positive and Bank Nifty is positive, Nifty will not come down. The market will remain a positive stance. And you have seen a beautiful synergy between metal and Bank Nifty today. And they have ensured that Nifty remains very much positive. It didn't came down. It didn't come down. So in case there is a weakness in metal sector or the banking sector, we can expect some kind of a profit booking that can be expected in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about one important factor in Nifty, which is the tweezer top. Like Nifty has formed almost like a tweezer top. Where Nifty closed today is actually a top which it had formed earlier. This tweezer top, if it remains like it doesn't get demolished, then it's going to be a serious concern, because below this 17,870, there could be a further fall. In case there is a gap up tomorrow and it continues, then market is going to definitely head towards the past resistance, which is 18,113. In index, if I look into it, it's 18,113. That is where we will be heading towards. Now let's come down to and look at what is happening in the option chain, because today already was expiry. We're going to look into what is happening in next week's expiry. If I just open up Nifty, you see the huge call writing that has happened at 18,000. A clear boundary has been defined at 18,000. This is a point you need to be careful about, because 18,000 is a place which could behave as a very, very strong resistance, right? This is today's expiry. We need to go to next week's expiry. And next week's expiry is not only going to be the weekly expiry, but as well as monthly expiry also. So have a look at this place. Huge call writing has been added today at the 18,000 level and 17,900 levels. If I look into the put side, huge put writings have taken place at 17,900 and 17,800. That means a huge support, huge base has been formed at these two levels. So 17,900 looks a very strong base and 17,800 looks like a strong resistance. So Nifty may have a little narrow range for the coming week, because we are heading towards the expiry of the monthly expiry as well as the weekly expiry. So that is how Nifty looks. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. How's the Bank Nifty stands for the coming week? So if I look into the Bank Nifty, there is the support that has been drawn is much stronger than the Nifty. There's huge put writing happened at 39,500, 600 and 700, all three levels. And if I look into the call side, there is a resistance which have been created at 40,000 and 39,800. So 39,800 to 40,000 is going to be the resistance zone, and 39,500 to 39,700 is going to be the support zone. So again, 300-400 points range can be seen in Bank Nifty. Now with this, let's go on and figure out the breakout stocks. So I've filtered out some FNO stocks and some cash stocks for you. So here is my list. The first stock that looks good to me is Solara Active. Why Solara Active looks so good? Have a look at the price action. I'm looking at the daily graph, and let me just draw this. Look at the price action. Today the stock has broken this range. Not only that, it has broken the past resistance also. Many months past resistance, which has been made from May onwards, that resistance has been broken. And the consolidation kept on going for, I put the weekly graph, starting from, May, See here, this is the consolidation zone. Starting from the month of June till August week, there was a consolidation, and today the breakout has come. So Solara Active looks good to me for a buying opportunity above 455. Our accumulation zone is going to remain at 355. We can keep accumulating at 355 level or 350 level in case it goes down. But above 450, why am I saying it may go down? Because market or Nifty is on a very, crucial level. There could be a breakout or breakdown that may come in Nifty in the downward direction. If it comes, then all the stocks will be affected. So one stock that you all have been writing again and again is RIM. RIM is a stock that I have given for a buy somewhere around, I think 500 something. 500 something is what my buying was. I think I have given a buy somewhere here, 540 or 550 around that. Today it went down for a few days and again it has bounced back. It has gone above 560 also today. So I want to quote Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's one quote that I shared in my yesterday's video, but somehow the voice wasn't good. He said that your patience will be tested, but your conviction will be rewarded. So those who are holding it with conviction, I'm sure that conviction will surely be rewarded. There's one more stock that I would like to talk about is HGS. This is a stock which I made a video about, and I said that on every dip you must collect this on every dip. So you can just find out that stock somewhere here. Anyway, just check it over here. I have made a video on HGS. I said that I will buy it on every dip. That was my caption for the video. And I have said that on every dip, I'm going to buy this particular stock. And the stock was HGS. Our buying level was here at 1100. And today HGS stands at 1437. So that's the kind of return the stock has given. And I'm sure if you have been connected to me through my YouTube video or through my Telegram channel, I'm sure you will be getting good benefits out of it. Okay, so now the next stock that is on my radar is IB Real Estate. IB Real Estate can be a buying opportunity above 84 for a target of 100. 100 is a easily achievable target, and only thing is that the Nifty should remain in the positive space. That's an important point. Then I have Sun Flag. Sun Flag is also consolidated for a long period of time, and today it has given a breakout. We can initiate buy above 96, or a buying can be done above 94 for a target of 96, and after 96 a target of 100, 105, 110, 120 can be also expected. Then Capacite Infra, again a bottomed out stock. It has already given a breakout with gap up openings, and now it stands on a strong resistance zone. If this resistance is broken, the stock may look towards 160, 70, 180, or even 200 can be achievable in Capacite Infra. Phenolics Pipe is another stock that is on my radar. Stock has been consolidating. So all the stocks that I'm giving you are basically bottomed out stock. So this stock looks good for a buying opportunity above 148, and we can accumulate more in case it goes down to 130. Our first target is going to be 170, then 180, then 190, and so on and so forth. Now comes the FNO stock. My first FNO stock is NMDC. NMDC I have already given in a video where I have told you about choppiness. This is the video that I made, and I said that uh, in this I selected 3 stocks: MGL, NMDC, and NAM India. So NMDC is on my radar for, as it is showing me that it will be trending, but now it need to go above 118.5. In case it goes above 118.5, then a target of 120, 125, and 130 can always be expected. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is Lupin. Lupin is looking very promising. After this candle, like this is an open equal to low candle on 11th of August. It's consolidated for 4 days, and now it looks ready for a breakout, fresh breakout above 695. And the last stock that looks good to me is uh, Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra has been maintaining this channel, this trend line, and now it is kind of ready to break out its today's high. Or yesterday it made a candle which was open equal to low, and today it consolidated, and again there could be a breakout above 1110. So these are the stocks, Solara, Active Pharma, IB Real Estate, Sunflag, Capacite Infra, Phenolics Pipe, NMDC, Lupin, and Tech Mahindra. And not to forget, guys, request you not to forget to join me for the live trading and join me on my Telegram channel for more refined trades, like more refined analysis that I keep doing for you all, right? There are a lot of stocks that we give, like we gave Dalmia Bharat yesterday 1610, it made I 1664. You'll find many such stocks. India Mart it gave about 30 points, 20 points. SSW we gave at 831, it made I have 846. We gave a buy on HDFC AMC. We have given buy on HDFC Life Insurance. It didn't give a breakout. Godrej Consumer made 920. Hero Motor is not broken. Voltas gave about 4 points. ITC gave 1 point. Apollo Tires have given about 3 points. TVS Motors have given about almost like 4 or 5 points. Ambuja Cement 403, we gave a bite, made a have 415, almost like 12 points. So you will find a lot of good stocks that will be given over here. So if you like the content that I present you, please give a thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe. And do join me for the live trading. All the best. See you. And do follow me on my Telegram channel. Please watch out on my Telegram channel. You will be watching my videos. You will be watching you will see my pictures time and again. And that's the original Telegram channel. If you still don't know, then talk to my team. Go to any of the video and go to the description box. You will find numbers over there. Those are the numbers that you need to speak, like this is a number 95996346004. This is a number you need to speak to, and you will be connected to our team. And all the best. Take care. Don't fall prey to any other person or any other wrong channel. So all the best. See you in the live market tomorrow.